How to log out of all devices in DeepSeek. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log out of all devices in your DeepSeek. It's really simple. You just can do it with one click. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser, head over to your DeepSeek account, then go to your profile on the bottom left. Then go to settings, and then you need to go to profile. There you can see log out of all devices, and then there is logout option. So you just need to tap on it and all of the devices will be logged out. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.